at once.
Something's eating me right now. I have like 10 mosquitoes on my ass.
I have like a really... This man also has Phenom. That's what I was trying to tell you. Yeah, well, you're gay, so I don't listen to you. You gay? Come over here.
We'll kick you in.
I want to clarify I'm not gay.
And even if you were, we'll still take you in. Mainly for him, though.
Nice. Ready for sniper. Go, 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 go!
That was the lid. Ah, medic! Medic! Go, 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 go! You got that window, good. I got two guys on the rip. He's got the right.
Alright.
That's a day. I'm going through, bud. You got it? You got that window?
Moving. Not for the medics.
Okay, okay, I got, okay. We need to go upstairs, bud. Hey, in here. In here. Yep, hit.
Sorry about that.
Medic! Was that you? Yeah. Hey, that's all right. Andrew, line BBs through, even if you don't see them, because they're gonna be right there, right away. Go, 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 go! Right here, watch this right, okay? Right here. It's gonna be tight. Up top, up top, up top. I got one. Hit. Fuck. Medic! Medic! Grenade! Medic! Come in. Yeah, upstairs though. What are you? Right shield right here. He cut across. Right, hey, right shield right here. Did you get him? Dad, yeah. Top of stairs still.
I got you. Yo, that's a good call.
Oh, I'm down, but yeah. Medic. Medic. He was watching me. Yeah.
Just slide it on.
Yeah. Gun hit, but it broke on me. Yeah. Go.
Ceasefire, guys, ceasefire! Ceasefire! Ceasefire!
Hey, bud. Good res, brother.